Next comes Svadhyaya. I'll speak more on tapa. Svadhyaya means study. Study of the self and study of the scripture. You study your mind, action and speech. What are you doing? Are your actions right? Are they approved by your conscience? Suddenly, your mind flies away. You all are champions in flying, but you do not know how to land. And there is always crash, you see. And mental crash again and again will make you nervous wreck. So Patanjali says, no. Svadhyaya, study. Study how your mind functions. Study how you speak. Study how you walk. This is study of the self. And study the scriptures given by the great people.